Welcome to Holly's Quiet Harbor. Take a deep breath and let your mind begin to rest. Welcome. This is a space to let go. You don't need to be productive right now. You don't need to figure anything out. You've already shown up, and that is enough. Over the next few minutes, you'll be guided through a gentle practice designed to ease physical, mental, and emotional tension. Allow your body to settle and let your breath become your anchor. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your spine be supported. Let your arms and legs rest easily. If you feel safe, close your eyes. If not, soften your gaze. Now, take a slow, deep breath in and release it through the mouth. Let it go. Inhale and exhale. No need to force anything. Just observe. Let the breath begin to slow down naturally. Breathe in through the nose. Pause for a moment at the top of the breath. Then exhale fully through the mouth. Pause at the bottom of the breath and repeat this gentle rhythm. With each breath, imagine the tension beginning to melt from your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your hands, your hips, all the way to your toes. Let gravity take over. You don't have to hold anything up right now. Just breathe and be. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Simply notice any sensations there. Warmth, coolness, tingling, stillness. You don't need to change anything, just observe. Slowly move your awareness down to your forehead. Your eyes. Allow your brow to soften. Let the tiny muscles around your eyes relax. Now, notice your jaw. Is it clenched? See if you can release it, even just a little. Bring your attention to your neck and shoulders. So much of our attention gathers here. With your breath, invite softness into these areas. Inhale, exhale. And imagine the tension draining down and out of the body. Now move your focus down your chest, your rib cage expanding and contracting. Notice your heartbeat. No need to change it, just feel it. A quiet, steady rhythm that has carried you through every moment of your life. Continue downward to the belly. Soften the belly with the breath. Let it rise and fall naturally. This is the center of your breath, your grounding. Notice your hips, your thighs, your knees. Let them be heavy, supported and grounded. Feel the weight of your body resting into the earth. Bring awareness to your calves, your ankles, and finally, your feet. Wiggle your toes gently. Notice the sensation of contact with the floor or bed beneath you. Now, breathe in gently through the whole body, from the crown of the head to the soles of the feet. And exhale, letting go of anything you no longer need. Now imagine a warm light above you, soft and golden. With each breath, this light gently pours over your body, like sunlight through a window, warming, relaxing, soothing. Let it rest on your forehead, your throat, your chest, your legs, your feet. You are wrapped in peace. As this light continues to move through you, bring to mind a place where you feel safe. It could be real or imagined. A forest, a beach, a quiet room, a mountain trail, wherever you feel at ease. Picture it clearly. What does it smell like? What do you hear? What colors surround you? What is the temperature of the air? Let yourself rest there. In this place, there is no urgency, no to-do list, nothing to fix, just stillness. Just breath. Just peace. Gently begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Notice your breath again. Notice the weight of your body supported by the surface beneath you. Feel the contact of your fingers, your feet, the space around you. If it feels right, place one hand over your heart and one hand on your belly. Feel the breath moving between your hands. Feel the rhythm of life, steady, grounded, enough. You are here. You are safe. You are held. You have made space for peace, and that is something to be proud of. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are human and doing beautifully. When you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. Stretch in any way that feels good. And slowly, gently open your eyes. Take your time. Thank you for showing up today, not just to this meditation, but to yourself. May you carry this softness with you into the rest of your day. May your breath be your anchor. Be kind to yourself, and remember, peace is always just one breath away. Go gently.